Good morning guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. I really hope that you're all doing really well today. So I thought I would try something a little bit different today and do a different version of a speed clean, and I've decided to just slow it right down, and I just wanted to have a nice relaxing potter around the house and get everything done, and I think it'll be a lot easier for you guys to clean with me today. Now it's in real time and it's not just sped up, so there's no way of actually keeping up. So I thought this would be quite a fun one to do. Do let me know down in the comments if you enjoy the slower version and the real-time cleaning, and also go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. I've also added in some nice relaxing music just to help everyone unwind today and relax whilst doing the home, because even though there's so much to do, it doesn't mean you can't relax whilst doing it. So I really hope that you enjoy it, and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so the first room I wanted to start in on this day was the bedroom. So I'm just going around making the bed, making the room nice and tidy, getting rid of all of the washing up and everything, and then we can move on from there. So once I had everything picked up, the room instantly felt better. So it's now time to go in and give everything a good dust over, making it nice and fresh, and then I can go in and do the hoovering as well, because I always feel like that just completes the room. So now heading through into the kitchen, and as you can see it's already nice and tidy, so I just need to pop away the stuff that I washed up the night before so I can go in and give everything a nice wipe over. Even if I wipe the sides down before I go to bed, I do then like to still wipe them down first thing in the morning, just so I know that they are definitely fresh, ready for the day. So I'm just going to crack on and get this kitchen finished. The final thing that this kitchen needs is a nice shiny sink, so I'm just going to go in and give that a good scrub over, make it nice and clean. And then I'm also going to be taking the recycling out because I always leave it way too long and our recycling cupboard is just overflowing. So I'm going to finish this, take the recycling out, and then I can go in and hoover the whole downstairs. I actually forgot that I didn't hoover straight away today, and I did head straight through into the kitchen. So once this is done, I then go back in and hoover the whole of the downstairs. It was so much fun editing this video at such a slow pace because obviously all of my videos are sped up, and I've now just sort of, it's automatic for me to speed it up and I can edit on autopilot almost. So trying to completely change it up in a different speed was actually a lot of fun. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. I hope you have found it relaxing and at the same time managed to tick off a few of your chores today. So do let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this one, because I'll be more than happy to do some more slower versions for you. So just let me know down in the comments your thoughts, and I'll see you back here in the next one.